Did you know that you can use glycolic acid all over your entire body? It is that gentle, and you can use it on all over your body. It's not just for your face. This is my review of the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution, in which this is my second bottle of this, because during the winter months, I will actually use this on my arms, on my décolleté, on my shins, and on my calves, and any place that I have some discoloration, I will use this glycolic acid to help clear those and brighten up the skin. So if you have not thought about glycolic acid on some other part of your body other than your face, now it's brilliant on your face, obviously, but this actually will work if you have age spots and sunspots and things like that. I put this on my arms, I put this on my legs, and I see great results. I think you might too. Give it a shot. Put it in your cart today.